Access Systems has been building graphics workstations for artists, architects, designers and engineers for more than 15 years. And during that time, we've racked up dozens of awards thanks to our relentless focus on embracing the latest technology and customer service. And our latest innovation is a new range of small form factor workstations. Specifically designed with architects and designers in mind, the new micro workstations deliver outstanding performance in a compact design that's ideal for the modern office or home workers. Despite their smaller dimensions, the new micro systems provide full workstation capabilities, such as support for up to 4 monitors and real-time ray tracing. So let's see how the new micro workstations fit into the range. As you can see, the new micro workstation is considerably smaller than traditional mid-tower and full-tower workstations, freeing up lots of precious office space. At just over 8 litres, the micro is 7 times smaller than a mid-tower workstation, and as its cooling system works in all orientations, it can be stood vertically or horizontally depending on what works best for your desk layout. It supports half-height graphics cards up to and including the powerful NVIDIA RTX A2000. It even supports high-performance AMD Ryzen 9 and Intel Core i9 CPUs. The only limitation of its small size is that maximum memory tops out at 64 GB. This combination of possible configurations makes the micro ideally suited for running AEC and CAD applications. The next size up in our workstation range are mid-tower systems, which come in a variety of chassis depending on the budget. A typical mid-tower workstation is around 61 litres, which enables these systems to support up to 2 of the most powerful NVIDIA RTX A2000 GPUs, best-in-class AMD Ryzen 9 and Intel Core i9 CPUs. Also, it supports up to 128 GB of RAM. The highly configurable nature of mid-tower workstations makes them suitable for practically all professional graphics workflows. And at the opposite end of the spectrum from our new micro workstations are full-tower workstations. At close to 150 litres, these are typically located next to rather than on top of desks. They provide unparalleled performance thanks to supporting up to 4 NVIDIA RTX A6000 GPUs or 6 RTX 3090 Ti GPUs, AMD Ryzen Threadripper Pro CPUs, and up to 1 TB of RAM. These systems are engineered for the most demanding tasks such as large rendering projects and simulations. So there you have it, a look at the newly expanded range of 3XS professional graphics workstations. And just like our existing mid and full tower workstations, the new micros are available pre-built for next day delivery or can be configured to your workflow requirements. Discover more about the micro range by following the link in the description, or of course you can email our pro graphics experts at business@scan.co.uk to find out more.